Hi. Though I usually do my book reviews on shorts or reels, this one definitely deserved a proper sit down. The book that I'm talking about, 1984 by George Orwell. First things first, I have realized with experience that I really like reading dystopia. I had read another novel by George Orwell called Animal Farm. Similar genre, it's a dystopian novel as well. So I kind of knew the theme of this book and I knew where it was leading to. The book centers around Winston Smith, who is also our main character, and who is trapped in a totalitarian regime of the fictional state of Oceania. Or at least that's how I think it's pronounced. When I say totalitarian, I mean that the ideals of the state are ideals of the individuals. Any kind of critical thinking or critical expression towards the ideals of the state is completely prohibited. In fact, any kind of thinking is prohibited here. Thought is a crime. The book takes the reader through extreme conditions of the totalitarian regime. For example, how the state creates common hate against fictional enemies to brainwash an entire population, to manipulate them, to create control and obedience. Citizens of the state are literally watched upon all the time and they're followed everywhere. And there's a concept of thought police that spy and pry on individuals that seem suspicious to see if they are caught thinking critically or engaging in any activities that might critically question the state. Not only does one have to be careful around neighbors, so called friends, but kids are also taught in schools to pry and spy on their own parents and to report if they find anything suspicious going on in the house. Basically, all of this is to instill a fear in people's minds, to let them know that they're being watched continuously and any deviation can lead to dangerous consequences and terrible forms of torture. What I found scary is though this book is a work of fiction, every concept or situation in the book is not completely foreign. Each concept felt like a hyperbole or an exaggeration of an existing scenario or some scenario or concept that we may have seen in the past or in some other part of the world. The book tries to warn us that without the ability to think critically, individuals or society as a whole could lose its agency. Needless to say, I absolutely enjoyed this book and I will recommend it to anybody who hasn't read it yet. I would rate this book a 4.5 on 5.